एव मुक्तो ऋषिकेशो गुडाकेशेन भारत सैन्योर्भयोर्मध्ये स्थापित्वा रथोत्तमः. Hello everybody, I am Leena Rajesh and welcome to my YouTube channel Behind the Noise. I again come with my new sloka, slok number 24, chapter number 1, Arjun's Vishalyu. Sanjay said, O descendant of Bharat, Arjun said to Krishna, just like that, drew my chariot in the middle of the battlefield, and for this reason, Krishna also drew his chariot on the middle of the battlefield. Here the word is come that Gudakeshin means sleep. The person who is in sleep means ignorance. And here Arjun conquered both on sleep and ignorance because his friend is Krishna, and Krishna is the ultimate power, ultimate knowledge. So Arjun conquered both on sleep and that is all ignorance. So here Krishna helped him. He drew his chariot in the middle of the battlefield, and in this way Arjun watched that Kauravas and other kings who come in support of Kauravas. So in this way, in this sloka, Krishna drew the chariot in the middle of the battlefield, and this is all about this sloka. And guys, here the main theme is that Arjun conquered on ignorance. That's why he know what is fact, what is reality, and what is imagination. So these all things is only possible with the help of God. And when your helper is God, the things it's totally different. And here in the case of Arjun, the thing is really different because Krishna, none other than helper and also guider, and at the same time he drew his chariot. So this is the situation. When you love your God a lot, God is ready to serve you. It's depend on you how much you have love, how much you have affection, and how deeply you love. So these all are happening in our scriptures. And guys, it's true even today that whenever you are in any problem, you just memorize your God, you just remember your Aradhya, and most of the problem will be solved, or you got an idea that how to solve the problem. So here the same way Krishna gave idea to Arjun, Krishna gave a clear vision to Arjun, so that Arjun conquered on this sleep, ignorance, and in this way he is ready for watching this all battlefield and all fighters or opponent warriors. And with this, I here end my ideas on this sloka, and with another ideas, another sloka, I will come again in my next video. Till then, bye everyone. Yes, one more thing, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Behind the Noise. Thanks a lot.